Hey guys, just want to do a quick little video today to show you how to 3D print brick minifigures. I've done some research, found out kind of how to do it online, but nothing all in one place. So that was my goal, was to do a quick little video, kind of show anybody else trying to want to do what I'm doing, to be able to just come to this video and be able to print really quick and easy just from the one video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and search for Mecabricks. Click the first link here. And so this is the website. So you can either go to library, category, and you can do minifigures, and you can do sets, models, renderings as well. Minifigures is what I usually use, or I'll just go over here and actually search for a keyword if you know exactly what you want to look for. And then you can filter by exactly the theme that you're wanting. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so this is usually the one I click on here, and I'll just sit here and scroll, go to the next page, things like that, until I find one I like. But for the simplicity of this video, we're going to type in Stormtrooper. So once you find the one you want to do, you're going to want to click on it, wait for it to load here, click on Editor, and this will bring you into the editor. So from here, you can print it straight like this. It's Lego compatible, so you print it just like this, and you can immediately stick it onto a platform or anything like that, and it works great. So I'll quickly show you how to do that. So all you got to do is just come up here to File, Export. You got a couple of options here, but the biggest one that I've been using that's been working well for me is STL. Then we'll go ahead and hit Export. Once that finishes loading, you're going to click on Open. There is one caveat to printing it this way, or exporting it this way rather. It's not going to have the textures. I think I'm still kind of playing around with it, and I'll upload a video as soon as I figure that out. But I think if you use one of those other options, I think the first one, it does export with files that include the textures. So I think if you just want to regularly print them, you can do that, cut them out, and kind of maybe just get some glue or something to stick them onto the body of the figure, and that will give you the textures. Or you can just print this how it is and paint them if it's something you'd rather do. But again, just for now, this is our little guy. If you sit here and rotate them up, there you go. So you can print them just like this, but at least in Bambu Studio, if I were to go to slice it, it's going to tell me there's floating regions. So I will have to add some supports. So I'll come in here, add supports, and I actually don't like the default supports. I'll kind of show you what those look like. They're a little bulky, and I tried to not print too much support. I've never had any issue with doing the tree slim. That's what I usually do. That'll slim them down a little bit and just give a lot less bulky prints. A little less filament you have to use for the supports, because you're just gonna break them off anyway. So anyway, this is your guy. So now you can sit here and print them. It doesn't take but about 43 minutes. That's not too bad. Just be careful when you break off these supports, because it is a very small figure. Just be very careful not to break his hands and things in here in these little tight spots. And when it comes in here, just be very careful. Try to snap it off at the bottom. It should just come right out, and you should be good. Another really cool thing you can do with Mecabricks is actually separate the pieces out. So for instance, right now, if we print this, it's just going to print as one big solid piece. So you can't move the hands, the arms, you can't take the helmet off or anything like that. But if you come back into Mecabricks, it will actually allow you to separate these pieces. So for just simplicity of this video, I'm just going to separate the helmet. So what you can do is come back in here, just scoot the helmet off, just so it's a little bit easier to work with. You can kind of see the pieces that are involved in this, and just export them separately. So what you can come in here and do is hide all the other pieces, just get the helmet and export just like we did before. Let that export, and then just do the opposite. Now hide everything except the helmet and export that as well. Now we'll come back in here, delete this guy, and import. Now they do print with the same name, so you just gotta kind of be careful with that. Make sure you're only doing a couple of these, so kind of know what you're exporting them as the name. But if you come in here, we'll do the head first. There we go. Do the same thing. Do the body. There you go. Now you've got them two separate. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate them up for you, so it's a little bit easier for you to see. But there you go. So now you just go through the same process, add your supports, print these guys out, and super cool. So now you'll have a figure when you print it out. You can put a helmet on, or you can take the helmet off. And anyway, super neat. So I wanted to add that to the video as well. And anyway, hopefully this video helps. Let me know if you like it, and if you want anything more like this. This is what I plan on doing, is creating a whole bunch of videos to kind of help other people who, you know, are starting out in the 3D printing world and just want to get started in doing that, and anything that kind of helps. So anyway, thank you. Let me know if you like the video, and hope it helps.